Welcome viewers and welcome back friends. Today I'm showing you the HON Ignition 2.0 mesh back chair. This is a chair, so let's just get right into it. It's a really comfy cushion right here. It's got adjustable arms, nice lumbar support. I can lean back. I want to be careful I don't push that too far because I'm a big guy. But really comfy. I'm a gamer, so you definitely want to make sure that you've got something that's going to be helping you just sit there victoriously upon your throne. Depending on your height, of course, it's got an adjustable seat. Pull this, and then pull up to raise it. And yeah, right, this lever right down here. And on the other side, we've got this, if you need to move it forward, if you've got a deeper seat, or move it back if pretty much good. But that's the HON Mesh Ignition 2.0. Check it out.
If you're in the market for an office chair, this one is the perfect one for you. And if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. My name is Ashley, and I wanted to talk to you about the office chairs that we just bought. We love them. They are sturdy and cushiony, as you can see here on this handle. They do a great job of holding up throughout the day with a bunch of different people sitting in them. You can see that this adjusts right here up and down, and it glides really smoothly. And the bottom of this chair is pretty cushiony. I don't know if you can see. It's cushiony, but it's hard. So it's not too hard, not too soft. And then the back here is actually mesh. And it is really good because you can wipe it clean. And you can also push it back pretty easily. You have this adjuster here to adjust the height of the chair, which is nice for all the different heights that we have in our office. And then over here, you can adjust the tilt of the back of the chair, which also is really nice. You have these awesome wheels that turn around really smoothly. And you don't have to crane your neck. You can just turn. It's just easy. Some chairs are just kind of twisted and hard. This one is great. It is a great size, great depth, great width for a bunch of different sizes as you need. And if you guys have been looking, this one is awesome. I highly recommend it. We love them.
All right, guys. So today I want to do a video review of this HON Ignition chair. Just got this chair. Very nice office chair, very convenient. First and foremost, I want to go over this right here. The armrests extend up like that. Very easy to do it. I can do it one-handed. A lot of times it can be difficult, really hard to adjust these seats, but it's really easy. Right here on the left side of the chair, left, as if you're sitting on the chair, is going to be your left side. This is how you adjust the way the seat pulls forwards or backwards. I just twist it like so, and it's going to go back. Bam. And on the right side, if I want the seat, this is where I control whether or not the chair goes up or down. I think this is its lowest setting, so I'm going to do this, and it goes up. It's very comfortable, very easy to navigate, very adjustable. This right here adjusts too, kind of adjusts. You get support of the lower spine, or you could bring it up if it's too solid. But this netting material has a lot of give to it. It feels really comfortable, and it's just a nice, sleek, just kind of like modern looking chair. Very nice chair. Not sure the weight capacity, but it can hold a lot. I'm about 280 pounds, and the chair works fine.